Wendy's. Don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. You ordered them. I'm at Fairview. I'm at Fairview now. I want to get a protein juice at Proactive Lifestyle. I don't know if you guys know Fairview in Montego Bay, but I'm going to give you a synopsis of the place. At Progressive now, right here's a Progressive. So I'm going to show you the other place them around, right? So, what there you have Courts, and you have Lloyd's Department Store, you have Fontana, over there so you get your pharmaceutical stuff, and then you have Sagicor building over there. So, we also have a Wendy's. Huh? We have a Wendy's right up there. So, but I don't get Wendy's, but I changed my mind. I'll get the protein juice. Over Fontana we have Cafe Blue. I was gonna get Wendy's, but I'm gonna get protein. Yeah, as I said, I was gonna get Wendy's, but you know, I'm gonna try eat healthier now. Guys, check out Skylife Fitness Solution on Instagram. That's my fitness page. I have my fitness belts on there. I have belly gun on there. Coming soon is a thigh and butt lifters. I'm so excited about that because Skylife Fitness Solution started from Skylife TV, you know, and if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have started that business. So I'm so excited about that, and I'm very proud too. So yeah, over there, so you guys have Flow and then Digicel and PLS. So over here, so if you're in Montego Bay, you want to come out of the congestion, Fairview is the best place for you. Less congestion, almost everything over here, and bathing. So we are heading to Proactive Lifestyle. No, darling, I don't have any. We are heading to Proactive Lifestyle now. Now tell me now, I do they? I beg me $50. Me, I come from the bank. A bank him I come from. Where am I trying to get me for? Bank him I come from. I saw him in the line, yo. Anyways, I get my protein juice. So guys, this is Proactive Lifestyle, where I get my protein juice and everything. So them have everything in here. Them have cleanser here, good for you when you just start workout, Sunday cleanse for women. And they have every other little thing. They have weight, you want to gain mass, Punki thing, that Punki I drink now. And I normally get this protein powder. They have the 1 pound packet, very affordable. And everybody asks about this belly flat flush, and they have the pills too if you don't want to take the liquid. So yeah, I said them belts expensive in here, 9,800. So it's a suit. So I'm gonna order protein juice now. I'm gonna get this one. That's the one I'm gonna get right now. No. That's it. Is it strawberry? No, chocolate. So guys, I actually got my protein juice. I got chocolate, 12-ounce chocolate from Proactive Lifestyle. I have my stuff. I have my stuff to make my juice. I have my stuff to make my juice at home. But I normally like come here. If I'm in the area, anywhere about, I normally come here and get a juice. Guys, I came to drop off a belt. She loves the belt. It's very comfortable. The strap can adjust as you go along. And how you feeling the belt?
Feels good.
Katie over there, so. You know, see, I see how Tommy can do so she can sit and it don't roll up. And if you notice, it covers this area, the problem area around here. So, you understand? So, yeah, you're good to go.
Good to go.
Tell a teacher friend to let me have bells to sell them. Teacher friend. It's okay. So guys, I'm at 27 now. I'm heading to doctor's. I'm heading to doctor's. They have food over there for restaurant. Right over this other from here. Right over this other. So it feels good in a squeeze. It feels good. It didn't put and if you notice the other bells, when you lock them, it's either put the belly up here or down here. Full coverage. Full coverage. Yeah, tell them about the coverage, people. Full yes, full coverage. So it's 27 Montego Bay, chilling on the hip strip. But I'm going over to Dr. Escape. I'm going to try showing the fires as well.
Oh yeah, vacation.
Yeah. I got school tomorrow. Dr. Escape, they're right over there, so. Yeah, go over there. When on the Saturday at 27, say, wait, we do not go smoke? The dispensary is right inside.
Up here, we did,
in the night time, then come out here and chill. So, guys, I'll check back in with you guys. So guys, that's a weed mannequin. And this is the hip strip where I normally walk. That's a building that I take to come down when I'm at work. Then you have Coral Cliff, Margaritaville, 27. That's a weed place. I'm heading to Doctor's Cave. I'm heading to Doctor's Cave Beach, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Guys, so I'm heading to the restaurant on Doctor's Cave Beach. I can't sit over here? Okay. Let me go down this one. So guys, I reach Doctor's Cave Beach. I'm gonna get something to eat. And then I'll be chilling and stuff. I'm such a loner. I'm here alone. Babe, where you at? It is. I'm gonna show you the beach and stuff. So I'll go and see water. Beach kinda busy today. Talk to you, but it's not the same. So guys, at Doctor's Cave you have a restaurant there. Awesome. Guys, I literally cannot record now because the background music, I'm gonna get copyrighted for it. So when I leave here, I probably do record or probably not. But if not, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. I'm gonna get some scenic videos, shots for you, and see if I can close off this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, peace. Don't wanna be lonely. cool.